Yeah, swan's up there.
Yeah, guys, we just walking through a nature center. Yep.
Oh, we got babies.
There's swans up there, and they have babies. Look at them. Mom, why does the algae look so beautiful? Look.
They don't have no fur yet. Oh, they got fur. Oh, look at them. You got green stuff on them now. No, that's gross. Sorry, Mom. Huh? He's like, oh, sorry, Mom, I bumped into you. So funny how they have such long necks and the babies don't.
Mom, the babies don't need to grow their necks. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
No, Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Yaya, say hi.
Hi.
No, Yaya, I said to say hi.
So you go across the bridge?
I said to say hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Whoa. Wait, hold on.
Do you want to go to the left or straight?
I want to go straight. Mom, look it.
Let's go straight.
Look it.
Oh, it's an otter or something. Oh, it was swimming. He missed it. It just dove under. It was a little otter or something. It just comes back up.
Oh, yeah, it was over here.
Come on, Mr. Otter Man.
Probably went in the weed.
Oh, he's right there.
Where?
Right here. He's sitting above the water.
Here he is, right there.
Oh, yeah, he just popped back up over here.
Deshaun, over there.
I know, I see him.
No, he's over here. You're on the wrong side.
There's another one right there, too.
That's a stick, honey.
Mom, that's an otter.
Oh, yeah, it is. Over there. See him? In the back?
Oh, yeah, I see him now.
Whee! You see the little trail?
Oh, he just went under.
He went under. He can't get him no more.
I know, but I got that one over here still. Alright,
Looks like he's chewing on something.
he is. Look out there in the ocean. Beautiful. And there's turtles right here. Man, it is so beautiful out here. Why is there so many kayakers?